My pen. Don't get it confused, I'm still banging the seat. Cut it up, gonna done. Niggas try to soak up the drip like a sponge. Hatred's contagious, I keep me a gun. I'm focused on making that M in a bun. Baby order 20,000 at once. Walking in by, I'm not asking how much.
Yo, what up? It's your girl, rad.ronnie. Back with another video. Okay, my bad. Yo, what up? It's me. I'm back. And I've been gone for forever, and I love y'all, and I miss y'all. I'm so back. And I'll never leave y'all ever again. You know what I'm saying? I'm back and I'm better. And a lot was going on, and I had to get my life together. I didn't know what to post, but I'm back and I'm better. And basically, I just wanted to give y'all an eyebrow tutorial because I couldn't think of nothing else to do. So I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all feel my new energy and my new vibe that I'm bringing to this channel. And in advance, thank you guys for watching. So what's really poppin'? What's poppin'? What's up with y'all? Like, I'm so for real. Like, I feel so good to be in front of this camera again. I'm so happy. And yeah, so like I said, this is really weird. Don't mind like that. It's a little rusty and crusty, but this is a new angle. Like, y'all are getting new angles like throughout my video series or whatever. So I hope y'all enjoyed this new angle I got going on. I feel like the light is really good. Excuse my bonnet. My hair is not done. I have plait twist under here or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this. So the things that I use is I use a concealer brush, just a flat brush. That's all a concealer brush is a flat brush. An angle brush was also a flat brush, but it's an angled flat brush, as you can see. And then, you know, the little eyebrow comb brush, or you can use a spoolie. And a spoolie is basically like the same thing like you do your eyelashes with, like the mascara wand. It's like that, but it doesn't have any product on it. So those are the three little quote-unquote brushes I use or whatever. And the like products that I use this Revlon Color Stay Makeup foundation in the color Cappuccino 410. Okay, I use this City Color Collection color corrector. It's very white, but you will see. And then I just use some eyebrow pomade in the color black. And then this, honestly, you can use translucent powder, face powder, foundation powder, pressed powder, anything like that. But I just use this little off-brand little thing that my mom, I don't know where she got this from, but it has three colors: white, brown, and reddish brown. It don't got no brand on it or nothing like that, but I use that. I use a cosmetic sponge. We don't use beauty blenders over here because you can dispose of these and get like 24 at Dollar Tree for $1. So yeah, basically that's all I use. So now we're just about to go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start on this eyebrow because I'm left-handed, so I like to start with my left side. So basically I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush tool and I'm gonna brush my hairs the way I want them. I usually, since I feel like when you have thinner eyebrows, you have to brush up, but when you have thicker eyebrows, basically you're just filling in the empty spaces, so you will already need your eyebrow to be in the place you need them to be. So yeah, I feel like that's why people with thicker eyebrows, their eyebrows sometimes look really fake because they like overdrawn when they're already thick. So I don't like that. So I'm taking my little angle brush and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into my pot. I've had this for a minute. Like, I've had this since almost summer, and it's still not going because I don't need a bunch. So I'm looking at a mirror. Like, this is my big mirror behind y'all, but right here I have a smaller mirror, so I'm using that. So I'm just gonna start by, it's really hard for me to see, but it's okay. Underline the brow and then just go up and fill in a little bit, because you don't want to overfill in, you know what I'm saying? So just take your time and do that. And when you're done doing that, take your brush, brush it in. You want to go ahead and do that for the top of the brow. Fill in any spaces that you feel are too empty for your liking. So that's my first eyebrow. Boom, baby. And then I'm just gonna do one eyebrow at a time. So yeah. So as you can see, it's thick. She's thick, period. We're gonna move on to concealer. I mean, what are we waiting on? I'm gonna take my color corrector. I use concealer this way too light for my color because I like it. I'll cover it up with foundation anyway. So as you can see, we are not the same shade at all. Like, but it's okay. Like, I'm running out. I got this from Family Dollar. So start midways, like by your arch or whatever. And you don't need a lot. I feel like that's when people go wrong, especially when you're doing like colors that are way too light, like concealer that is way too light. You don't gotta go heavy. I don't go heavy. I just do a little something. But if your concealer is your shade, you can go wild with your eyebrows. Your eyebrows can be as thick as your thumb, and then you could just carve them boys out with your concealer. But take your time when you carving because you don't want to mess anything perfect up. And usually for this part, I'll be all up in the mirror, but for the sake of the video, I'm trying to give y'all a good little view. And you know, like I said, we came back and better, period. So now you're gonna drag your concealer out. Somebody's at the door or outside or something because my dog is barking. And I want to yell at him, but I'm filming, so we're not gonna do it. So as you can see, this is a really good carved eyebrow. No need to argue, period. It's a good eyebrow. And now I'm taking my foundation, like I said, 410 Cappuccino, $9 at Walmart. I've had this since like the spring of last year, and it's fall. So this lasts me because I don't wear full faces of foundation. And now you just want to go over it. Take your time. Don't go over your brow because you don't want to. And since I'm not going anywhere, this video is really just for fun. Like, oh, boom, simple, like nothing difficult about this. Look at her, slim and thick at the same time. Like, how is that even possible? But she's slim and thick, period. Okay, do you see her? She's beautiful. Now I just take some of this powder. I mix the reddish shade with the brown shade on my sponge till I get the good enough skin tone complexion. And I powder my brows down to mattify them because you don't want them shiny or nothing. And that's it. Like, that's your brow. Like, nothing really complex, nothing hard about it. Everything is super simple. So yeah, I'll come back with my other eyebrow done and I'll give y'all the outro. So I'm back and with both eyebrows done, and that's really it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank y'all for being so patient waiting for my videos. I've been getting a lot of messages from y'all asking, when's your next video? When's your next video? When you posting? When you posting? When you uploading? When you uploading? So here y'all go, like, surprise. So Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All of the information that you'll need will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.